Good morning children, welcome to today's section. Today's section is for first standard students. Yes children, as you people know that we have already completed the lesson, that is Ali and Ammi. Yes, now we are going to solve the lesson behind the grammar part of this lesson children. Yes, so let us start now. Yes. This is lesson number 8. So now children, as you people know that we have completed this lesson. So now the name of the lesson is Ali and Ammi. Yes. So now let us start the lesson behind the grammar part solving. Yes. The first main you will be receiving the question answers children. Now the second main, that is circle the correct answer. Yes. This will be the second main. Circle the correct answer. Yes. So in this first one, we have to understand the sentence and then we have to circle the correct answer. So first one, Ali got 20 or 15 rupees from his mother. Ali got 20 or 15 rupees. 15 rupees from his mother. From his mother. Second one, the shop or fair was very big. The shop or fair was very big. Third one, Ali wanted to buy slippers for himself or his Ammi. Ali wanted to buy slippers for himself or his Ammi. Yes. Or Ali saved or spent the money. Fourth one is what, children? Ali saved or spent. Ali saved or spent the money. Yes. So now here children is in this, listen to the question. Circle the correct answer. Which is the correct answer? Here this red words. You have to see this red words children, and then you have to circle in this which is the correct answer. You have to circle that answer. In this two, which is the correct one, that you have to circle. Yes, I have underlined also and I have used color marker also for you all to know the options. Yes. So here Ali got 20 or 15 rupees from his mother. How much money his mother had given to Ali when he was going to the fair? 15 rupees. How many rupees? 15 rupees. So circle this 15. The shop or fair was very big. Where he had gone to buy the slippers for his mother? For the shop or for the fair? For the fair. So the fair was very big. Next. Ali wanted to buy slippers for himself or for his Ammi. For whom he wanted? For his mother. That is Ammi. So you have to circle. Ali saved or spent the money. So the slippers were very costly. Then what Ali did? He did not buy any slippers. Then what he did that money? He ate with that money some snacks? No. He saved that money. What he did? He saved. So saved the money. Circle this. Now coming to the next part here, children. Here they have given that we have to write the activities. Let us talk. Yes, this is very important. This will be the third main. Let's talk. Yes, and the heading is starting from January, which festivals do you celebrate at home? Make a list. Starting from January, which festivals do you celebrate? Do you celebrate at home? At home. Make a list. Make a list. Not only we. You means all religions are mixed there. Yes or no? So the festivals which we celebrate in the home. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ celebrate ಮಾಡೋ ಹಬ್ಬಗಳು. Which all festivals do we celebrate in the home? We have to make the list of all those festivals. So first comes Makara Sankranti, and then Ugadi, and then Nagara Panchami, and then Holi. With that, after that Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali, Dasra, Ramzan, see so many things, Eid, and at last comes Christmas. Yes or no? The first festival is what here, children? Sankranti. First festival is Sankranti. Sankranti is the festival in the month of January. After Sankranti, which festival will come, children? That is Ugadi. In Kerala, they say Sankranti Onam. What they call? Onam. And then Ugadi. Then next comes what here? Holi. Then next comes Nagara Panchami. And then the next festival is what here? After Nagara Panchami, the next festival comes Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi. Next, then seventh one. The seventh one is what? Dasara. I will write here only, children. Seventh one is Dasara. It is looking like P. Let me correct it. And then next, Ramzan. Muslim people will celebrate Ramzan. They celebrate the festival Eid. And then Christian people, they celebrate the festival Christmas. Christmas, they celebrate the festival Christmas. See, all together there are 10 festivals. I have mentioned the names. So we celebrate from January, from the first month we celebrate for Sankranti. The Kerala people, they call it as Onam, and then Ugadi, then Holi, then Nagara Panchami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Dasara, Ramzan, Eid, and the last is Christmas. In the month of December, now present, which festival we are celebrating? Christmas. The Christian people, they are celebrating the festival Christmas. Yes or no? So here children, you can see some of the images here. Yes, I will show you children. Some of the images you can see that. See the picture here children. See, which festival do these boys are celebrating? Which is your favorite festival? Why? These are Muslim boys. They are celebrating Ramzan or Eid. Yes? Now here, which festival is this? What idol is? You can see the idol here children. This is Ganesh. Yes? So here the people are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi. And here down you can see what should we be careful of while blasting crackers. Name the festivals that are being celebrated here. So see children, what this boy is burning here, he is burning a cracker. And what the girl is doing? She is putting a rangoli. So this is which festival? This is Diwali. And here you can see a person. Who is this person called children? He is a Santa. What we call Santa. So who celebrates this festival? The Christian people. They celebrate this festival. What is the name of this festival children? What is the name of this festival? Yes? This is Christmas. And here the last one. Which festival is this children? This is Dasara. Which festival is this? Dasara. So here children, we celebrate here different types of festivals. So now we have to name these pictures. So this first picture, you have to write the name, that is Diwali. What we call here? The first festival. 1 minute. The first festival, we call it as what children? Diwali. You can see here in the image and write the correct name. Second is what that? Christmas. Christmas. Third is what here? Dasara. Dasara. Third is what? Dasara. So we celebrate different types of festivals. Yes children. Now coming to the next part, that is rewrite the sentences filling the blanks with the opposite of the underlined words. Yes. So here this will be the fourth main. Rewrite the sentences filling the blanks, filling the blanks with the blanks with the opposite of the underlined word. Opposite of the underlined underlined word. So in this first one, the small boy entered the dash room. The small boy, the small, opposite word we have to write, children. So boy, the small boy entered the dash room. Second, the dog is very dash, but the cat is very fast. The dog is very dash, but the cat is very fat. Third, mummy is cooking. Mummy is cooking. Dash, we are playing outside. Dash, we are playing outside. This is red, the color pen. Outside. Underline. Yes. Next sentence. Next one. Fourth one is, the sum is difficult and the teacher made it dash. The sum is difficult. And the teacher made it dash. Fifth one. The cost of this bat is very high. The cost of this bat is very high. Very high, but the cost of this hat is, but the cost of this hat is dash. Here, children. Now, what they have asked us, read the question properly, children, once again. Read the question and understand the question. See what they have said. Rewrite the sentences, filling the blanks with the opposite of the underlined word. The words which are opposite here, underlined word. That word, we have to write the opposite of that word, the answer. ಇವೇನದಲ್ಲ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂದು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So here, the small boy entered the dash room. Girl room. Boy, the opposite of the boy is what here? Girl. Yes, next. The dog is very dash, but the cat is very fat. The opposite of fat is what? thin. Yes. So the dog is very thin, but the cat is very fat. Mummy is cooking dash. We are playing outside. Outside the opposite is what? Inside. Mummy is cooking inside. We are playing outside. Yes. The sum is difficult and the teacher made it easy. The sum is difficult and the teacher made it easy. The cost of this bat is very high, but the cost of this hat is very cheap. Cheap means low price, less price. How do you know? Yes. Naming words or doing words. Read the words in the red circle. They are all naming words. Now read the words in the green circle. They are all the things which are naming words. Do. They are doing words. So here you can see, children, I will show you the circle here, children. Yes? Yes. Yeah. See the question here. Once again, I will read this question, children. So here you can see. Naming words, doing words. Read the words in the red circle. This is the red circle, children. They are all naming words. Now read the words in the green circle. This circle, green circle. This is green color. Green circle. These are things which are naming words. Do. They are doing words. So here you can see in the red circle, singer, dancer, painter, bird, frog, sun and fish. Now here in the green circle, paints, dances, jumps, flies, swims, sings and then shines. So now what we have to do? Match the naming words to its doing word. One has been done for you, then write them below. Yes. Now first what we have to do, children? Now first what we have to do? We have to name the words. We have to match them. Yes. First sing. Singer sings. Dancer dance here. Dance. And then frog, that is jumps. Sun shines. Bird flies. Fish, that is swims. Yes or no? We have matched now. Now next what we have to do? We have to write them in the naming words. Like here I will show you the fifth main, that is match the naming words with the doing words, which is the heading match. Match the naming words with the doing words. Here children, in the red circle they have given. In the red circle, this is the red circle and this is the green circle. Which circle is this? Green circle. Yes. Now in red circle they have given singer and the next is dancer. Then the next is painter and bird, frog, and the next is sun and fish. Here in the next we can see paints. Then the next is dances. dance. And the next, jumps, flies. Flies and jumps. Jumps. And the next is swings. Swings. Sings. Sings. And the last is shines. What is the last word? Shines. Now what we have to do? We have to match these words with the naming words and with the doing words. Yes, children. Here, we'll match here this side. Yes. One side I will write all the naming words. Okay. So first I will write here singer. Second one is what here? Dancer. Third one is painter. Sorry. And next is, fourth one is bird. Fifth one, frog. Sixth one, sun. And the seventh one is what here? Fish. Yes. Here, the first word is what? Painter. Paints, sorry. Paints. Then the second word is flies. Then the last is swims. The next is dance. And the next is shines. Then the next is jumps. And the last is sings. These are the words. Now we have to match these words, naming words. These all are naming words. Naming words means what? The person, what he is doing. We call it as the naming words. And a doing words means what the person or the animal is doing. That is called as doing words. So here first one, singer. A music director is a singer. Singer, what he will do? He sings. So singer sings. Then dancer. The dancer, he dances. Painter. Painter, he will paint the walls. Yes or no? So painter paints. The next birds, what they will do? Birds, they will fly. What the birds will do? They fly. And then frog. Frog, it will jump. What the frog will do? It will jump. Sun, children, what the sun will do? The sun will shine. What the sun will do? The sun will shine. And then last, fish. Fish, it will swim. What the fish will do? The fish will swim. Now these words only we have to separate. Match the naming words to its doing words. One has been done for you. Then write them below. Write them below. So see here. Here, same. Naming words and doing words. The same I have written here. You can mention here naming words. What we call naming words. And this is called as what? Doing words. What we call this? Doing words. Yes, children. So naming words means the person what he is. Doing words means what work he is going to do. That is called as what? Doing words. Yes, children. Now, here is a small activity for you people. You have to stick the pictures of all the festivals with their names. Yes. Here is the homework for you people children. Stick the pictures of all the festivals we celebrate at home and name them. Name them. If you want, you can stick in a notebooks, or if you want, you can stick on a small card sheet, write the name and send me the photocopy of this activity. By this, I have completed this lesson, children, the grammar part, and I will be in front of you with the new video. Till then, you revise the notes and the activity. You do the activity, revise all the notes, write the notes in your notebook and send me the photocopy. Then I will be in front of you with the new video. Thank you, children. Have a great day.